Hello, in this video, I will be demonstrating to you how you can change isometric drawing to orthographic projection in first angle projection. So, as you can see, this is an isometric view that we have, and we are going to consider our drawing looking at it from three principal views. That is the top, the front elevation, and the side elevation. The position of the front elevation determines where is the side elevation. So if this is, for example, the front elevation, this will become the side elevation. But for the purpose of this drawing, this is our front elevation, which is usually the longest side of a drawing. And then this is the top. Another name for the top view is the plan. So another thing you need to consider, which is very, very important for you to note, is the positioning of your principal views in front elevation, in first angle projection. That is, we have the front in this position, the plan in this position, and then the side view in this position. Then another thing you need to consider is also the dimensioning. But one secret I would like to reveal right now is, before you start your drawing using your drawing instruments, you quickly sketch how you think the drawing would look like. So let's look at this drawing. The first thing you are going to do is you have the quadrant, right? So now this is the object that we want to change to orthographic projection in first angle projection. And this is going to be our position for front. This is the plan, and this is where we're going to have our side view. Now, looking at, usually in the question, you'll be provided with where you're going to look at the front elevation from. So looking at the front elevation from arrow A or arrow X or whatever they are going to give you. So when we are looking at this drawing from this point, so I'm going to use this color to shade. So if you are looking at this object from this perspective, so this is what you are going to see. So you're going to see something like two rectangles attached to each other. So let's look at it. Good. So, and always take note that the distance between here and here, you have to give a certain distance between this point to this point. So it's at least 10 millimeters, and make sure it is even around. So from this point to this point, when you look at the drawing here, is what you are given is 80 millimeters. So you measure 80 millimeters. That is what you're going to measure. Then here, look at your drawing, 70 millimeters. So this is 70 millimeters you're going to measure. So you project with your thin continuous line to the right hand side, and then always draw your 45 degrees. All right. So you are going to use your thin continuous line to project downwards. Good. So you also take, remember, be mindful of the distance. You can take, if you are taking 10 millimeters from here to here, then you take another 10 millimeters from here to here to draw your line. So good, don't mind my line. So then you want to draw the plan, but remember that this is not complete because you are having something like two rectangles. So from here to here is 20, from here to here is 20, so you draw your 20. Good. Then, so you want to get the plan looking at it from the top. So how do you go about this? So what you are going to see when you are looking at it from the top, this is what you are going to see. So from here to here is 50, so you measure 50 from here to here. Good. Now there is something missing, because in technical drawing, you need to provide every detail. Now, if somebody is looking at it from here, from the top, you need to tell that person that, oh, this is a complete block, or there is a cut that you cannot see from the top. Hence the need for hidden detail lines that we learned in year 8. So what I would like you to know is, for example, since this is a cut, the easiest way for you to know how to get the direction of this cut is as demonstrated here. Now, so that means from here to here is 20, since the difference between 30 and 50 is 20. So you're going to measure your 20 from here to here. Good. So then you just project this line this way. Now you just project this way, and this way. So you project it up, you project this up. So there is no need for you to do any measurement, because you are directly transferring the measurements you have here by projecting these lines up to get this, and you have projected these lines to this way. Okay, now the next step is very simple. So you already have the guidelines, so all you need to do is to measure from here to here, which is 20, just like we got here. So you're going to measure your 20 from here to here. Good. So if you project this line down, so it's going to give you this line. So you need to show the hidden detail. So this is your plan view, this is your front, and this is your side view. So then from here you can use your drawing instrument to represent this object using your dimension. So remember, we measured this as 50, and then from here to here 20. So thank you. I hope this video has been helpful. Thank you so much.